Hey guys, welcome back to Just Aviation. Today I'm coming back with another model aircraft unboxing. As you can see, I'm doing the Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900 made by Phoenix. My mum got this from the Orchid store in Singapore, and yeah, that's basically how I got it. So let's get started with the unboxing. At the front of the box you can see the digitalized image Airbus A350-900 alongside the Airbus logo written down, Singapore Airlines as well as its logo, 1 to 400 scale Platinum series, as well as the registration 9 Victor Sierra Mike Alpha. This box is very nice. I like the color scheme. It really matches Singapore Airlines corporate colors. Alongside the other sides of the box you can see the Heart of Aviation, the Phoenix logo, limited edition, Singapore Airlines, warnings, the Phoenix logo again, and basically you just have that repeating over and over. So yeah, let me get that back onto the right side. So I really like this box. It looks very nice, and yeah, let's get started with the proper unboxing. Maybe the wrong side. There we go. So this is the aircraft inside the casing. Plastic casing looks very good. I'll just quickly take it off. Oh, looks good. We also have this plastic piece thing, but you know, you guys probably don't need it. So here is the A350-900. Some background information about the aircraft. Its registration is 9 Victor Sierra Mike Alpha. It is the very first Airbus A350-900 in Singapore Airlines fleet. It runs on 2 Trent XWB engines. Its first flight was on the 2nd of February 2016, and its current age is 4 years. Let's get started with the review now. So over here you have the nose of the aircraft. Mind you, this is the service side of the aircraft. You have the iconic black windshield at the cockpit windows. You got pewter tubes, which you probably won't be able to see from here. You got the Star Alliance logo. You got the landing gear, as well as MA written down, or Mike Alpha, which is the last 2 letters of the registration. You got the R1 door. It's very well made. Underneath you got the Airbus A350-900 logo written in. You've got Singapore Airlines, some antennas at the top. You also have the passenger windows, the L2 door, and yeah, so basically that's it, as well as the iconic Singapore Airlines corporate colors, which is gold, orange and dark blue, which runs along the aircraft, as you can see. As well as that, I can see the Singapore Airlines flag. So moving here, we've got the wing, one of the 2 Trent XWB engines, which powers this mighty beast. Yeah, basically that's the wing. You've got the green light, I believe. No, not green light, sorry, that's just a normal light for the aircraft. You've got that beautiful winglet, and it's got the red light on the side, and yeah, it's got a blue and orange color in it. Moving the air, well actually I think you'll be able to see it, but we've got red tips at the end of the spiky things that come out of the wing. Yeah, that looks really good. As well, you've got the not the flaplons, the ailerons and flaps and slats, which look very good. You've got the L3 door and the L4 door. Basically, the band continues on this side, and you've got the registration. Moving a little bit up, you've got the antennas, you've got the Wi-Fi hub, and yeah, just another antenna. So after L4 door, you have the Singapore Airlines tail. Looks very good. I've always been a fan of the Singapore Airlines logo and branding, but I feel like it needs a bit of a change right now. It's getting a bit old, but I guess it still works for them. You've got the horizontal stabilizers, which look nice, but though I do have an issue with it. I've got it with my British Airways. You've got the silver lining around the vertical stabilizers, and yeah, this aircraft doesn't have it, which is a bit of a letdown, but it's fine. Yeah, that's basically the service side of the aircraft. So let's move it around. So you basically have the exact same thing. You've got all the doors, the Star Alliance logo, the second Trent XWB engine, the wing, the winglet. Everything is basically the same, just except the cargo door over here and here. So let's go to the underneath of the aircraft, which is here. You've got your landing gear, your other landing gear, the registration 9 Victor Sierra Mike Alpha, and some very good details on the underbelly of the aircraft. So yeah, that was the review. Well, before I actually end it, I might show you the comparison in size between the A350-900 and the A350-1000, because I've got both models now, and basically here we have it. There's a bit of a size difference. Well, actually I can show you like this, because it'll be a better view for you guys. You can see there's definitely a very big difference in size. However, I do really think it looks good. I have a small issue though with the Singapore Airlines. I have a feeling that the landing gear is slightly too big, but that just might be me. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, comment in the section below. If you had an issue with it, perhaps just give me some recommendations so I can improve in the future. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.